This is a review of the Tally-Ho deck. The Tally-Ho deck is a pretty famous deck of cards that you see a lot of magicians use to pretty much perform and do flourishes with. It does flourishes pretty well, and you can also teach magic with it if you want to. But it's a pretty nice deck of cards. You can see it's also pretty cheap because it's a very high quality deck of cards. It's very cheap. It's like in America it's like $2, and so it's a very nice deck of cards. In this video we're just gonna review this deck. This is the circle back edition. You also have the fan back edition, which just looks at the back design looks different, but the faces look the same, and the faces also look the same as your standard bicycle deck. But yeah, this is what the back design looks like. And so let's just start off with the box, and before we just get to the review, I would appreciate it if you just hit the subscribe button. Alright, this is the front of the box, and so it says. You also have, it says Tally-Ho. If you thought it was another playing card. In playing plus cards, you also have an N, O, and a 9. And over the Tally-Ho, it says Linoid Finish, and if you don't know what that means, it just means that the cards are a bit stiffer, how it feels compared to the regular bicycle deck. And the biggest advantage is that the card will last longer than non-Linoid finished playing cards. So that's the advantage you get when you buy the Tally-Ho deck. And this is the bag like I showed you. It says United States Playing Card Company. The other side is a Linoid finish, again made in USA. And now we're just gonna open the box up. This is the front design again, and I pulled the sticker off. So we open the deck and you get a bicycle ad like always, and this is just, if you never bought a card that's made by the bicycle, they just give you an ad. And so the card after that is not a normal card like the Joker or anything. It's the poker guide. We just show you that. That's a good focus. It just shows all this is made for poker. Like you can actually see on the box it says the start of poker. A lot of people use this for poker, so it has a poker guide here to just give you all the information. Low, one pair, two pair, three of a kind, straight, flush, full house, four of a kind, straight flush, and royal flush, which is pretty rare in poker. That's a fact about poker. Okay, almost dropped the card. Right then. The card after that is, I think it's supposed to be the Joker, yep. So this is the Tally-Ho deck Joker, and it doesn't really look like a Joker, it just looks like a guy from back in the days that's holding a hat and a robe, and it says Joker if you mistake it for the king, but it's the Joker. This is Tally-Ho deck. Why is there an exclamation mark? I don't know. Yeah, so that's the colorful Joker. There's actually a white Joker like the bicycle deck, which is, yep, there we go. The white Joker looks just doesn't have colors. And if I turn over the deck, yes, there we go. This is the Tally-Ho deck, Ace of Spades. And man, I love the Ace of Spades. It looks super cool. And let's just take a look at this Ace of Spades. So your first playing card is the same thing that says on the box here. I don't know. I don't want to read that. I can't read it. Alright, made in USA. If you still mistaken that, playing cards, it says Tally-Ho deck. And I just really like the design in the middle of the ace, and it just looks pretty cool. All this royal playing card, I love this. This is probably one of my favorite aces of spades. And so you just put that card here, and you got all the cards here. And let's actually give the deck a couple of shuffle. Let's shuffle it once. Let's see if we can. It feels very nice, in hand. It feels pretty nice. Let's give it a Charlie A cut. That was pretty. And yeah, so the cards' faces look pretty normal. We have the Shinlin card. We have all the cards all mixed up. We also again have the Ace of Spades, the one in the center, and yeah, just The faces look normal as a standard bicycle deck of cards, which is, I'm glad, because there's some cards which has weird faces which just make people confused, like what card is it. But it is a pretty good card for, magic tricks, flourishes. It handles pretty well. Let's shuffle it again. And also toward the 8 here. But yeah, that's the review of the red back circle, Taiho deck, and Joker. Let's put the Ace of Spades. Man, where's the Ace of Spades? That's the Ace of Clubs. Man, the Ace of Spades? Okay, I can't find this man's Ace of Spades for some reason. But yeah, that's just a review of the. Okay, I just found it. Man, I found it and I lost it. But okay, there we go. Alright, so this is the 3 different cards, and you also get this, and whatever. This does not come with playing cards like some other decks do. So just your 54 deck of cards, and thanks for watching.